So end of the year is here, and we all will be participating in performance feedback. Whether you are a manager or you are an employee, you always get a chance to tell about yourself or give a feedback to your employees. So in this session, we will focus on how to use generative AI for your end of year performance feedback. Now, if you are an employee who is writing a performance feedback about yourself, or if your company has a 360 feedback, then you are writing about others, then it's okay to use generative AI to create a draft version of your performance feedback. Similarly, it's okay to use generative AI for your friends, for your colleagues, if you are doing a 360 view, and come up with a draft version of it. Then you want to rewrite based on your own sentences, based on your own thinking. And particularly for your own feedback, you do not want to rely on AI to dictate what was your last 12 month. Certainly, you want it in your own version. So don't rely on AI completely, but augment the help from AI. Now, same goes for managers in a way where manager has so many employees where they need to write performance feedback. So they may be thinking, hey, let me generate a common template and I'm going to use it across for all of my employees. That's not the right approach. But what you can do is you can come up with a draft. Ask generative AI to come up with some sort of a draft based on that, based on that employee's performance. You may want to modify. You definitely want to modify from what the draft was given out to you. Similarly, if your company has a 360 view, and if you are receiving feedback for your employee from 8 or 10 different people, then you may want to synthesize or summarize what this 8 or 10 people are talking about of your employee, and you may want to incorporate into your actual feedback what you are providing, what you are writing. So you are not asking AI to write that, you are writing yourself. You are just asking AI to come up with some sort of a starting point, right? Because we as a human are a bit scary in when it comes to writing. It's a mundane task, and we want to augment the help from AI so that we can enhance our overall end of the year performance feedback. With that, thank you for your time. Stay in touch. Have a good